You've probably heard the term cloud computing thrown around a lot. It's become as ubiquitous as the internet itself. But what exactly does it mean? In a nutshell, cloud computing refers to accessing and using computing resources, like servers, storage, software, over the internet, instead of having them physically located on your computer or in your office. Think about it like electricity. You don't have a personal power plant in your backyard, do you? Instead, you plug into a vast network that provides electricity on demand. Similarly, cloud computing lets you tap into a massive network of data centers and computing power without the hassle of managing it yourself. This technology has revolutionized how we work, play, and interact with the digital world. From streaming movies to storing photos to running complex business applications, cloud computing has become an indispensable part of our lives. In this essay, we'll demystify cloud computing, explore its various types, and delve into its numerous benefits. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to understand this transformative technology. Imagine this. You're a small business owner who needs to set up a website. Traditionally, you'd have to buy expensive servers, find space to house them, and hire IT staff to manage everything. That's a lot of upfront costs and headaches. This is where cloud computing comes in. Instead of buying all that hardware, you can simply rent it from a cloud provider like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. They have massive data centers filled with powerful computers, and you can access their resources over the internet. Think of it like renting an apartment versus owning a house. Renting gives you flexibility and affordability, while owning requires significant investment and upkeep. Similarly, cloud computing offers businesses of all sizes a cost-effective and scalable way to access the computing power they need when they need it. Cloud computing isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It comes in different flavors, each catering to specific needs. Let's look at the three main types. This is like renting the bare bones, the land and building materials, to build your own house. IaaS provides you with the fundamental computing resources like virtual servers, storage, and networks. You have complete control over the operating system, applications, and data. This option is ideal for businesses with specific technical requirements who want maximum customization. Think of PaaS as renting an apartment. You get a ready-to-use living space with all the amenities, so you don't have to worry about building or maintaining anything. PaaS provides you with a platform to develop, test, and deploy applications without managing the underlying infrastructure. This is perfect for developers who want to focus on building software without the complexities of server management. This is like staying at a fully furnished hotel. Everything is taken care of, from the room to the meals to the cleaning. SaaS delivers software applications over the internet on a subscription basis. You don't need to install or manage anything, just log in and use the software. Examples include email services like Gmail, customer relationship management, CRM, tools like Salesforce, and office productivity suites like Google Workspace. Cloud computing has become incredibly popular for a reason. It offers a plethora of benefits for businesses and individuals alike. Cost effectiveness. Cloud computing eliminates the need for upfront investments in hardware and IT infrastructure. You pay only for the resources you use, like paying for your electricity bill. Scalability. Need more computing power? No problem. Cloud services allow you to easily scale up or down your resources on demand, ensuring you have the right amount of computing power at any given time. It's like upgrading your hotel room from a single to a suite when you need more space. Accessibility. Access your data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection, anytime. This flexibility enables remote work, collaboration, and access to information on the go. Disaster recovery. Cloud providers have robust data backup and disaster recovery solutions in place, ensuring your data is safe and secure in case of any unforeseen events. Collaboration cloud-based platforms allow teams to work together on projects seamlessly, regardless of their location. Real-time document editing, shared workspaces, and instant communication tools enhance productivity and teamwork.